Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn create resume on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your profile, click on your profile, and then on your profile you will see here a button which is more. When you click on this button, the pop-up will appear on the screen and there are some options. Here in these options, you will see build a resume. Just click on this. When you click on build a resume, then the another window will be open on your screen, and here you can upload your resume and you can create by using LinkedIn. So I am going to create from my profile. I am going to click on it, and here I have to define my job title. And I want to keep my title as a teacher, and I am going to apply it. So this is my job title, and here in this portion I will write my summary over here. Click on this pencil icon and write your summary over here. I am writing a dummy text over here. You can add your experience, your skills, your career highlights, and this is the guideline to write your summary. So follow these steps and write your catchy summary over here and then save it. Once you click on save, then this summary will be shown here, and here you can add your experience. Like I am going to add my experience, and here I can define my experience in which organization I am doing work and in which organization I have experience. So select your title and your company, and then your date and your year, and then you can add your description over here, and then same as save it. So now I'm going to next. Here you can add your education. I've already add my education in my profile, and here you can add your certifications. Here you can add your company name, your traditional ID and issue date and year, and all the um, detail about your license and certifications. But for now I am going to cut it, and here I can add my skills. So I've already added 2 skills over here. You can add more and more, and here you can add your honors and awards. So click on plus button and you can add your honors and awards over here, and same as save it, and then certification, license, honor and awards will be show over here. Once you're done with your resume, then you can download it as well. Just look at the top on the screen. Here you can download your resume PDF, and if you want to see preview of this resume, you can click on the preview. Just look at the top right corner on the screen. Here you will see preview button, and here you can see your resume preview. So guys, as you can see, this is the preview of my resume, and you can see it in big screen and you can download it from here. So guys, this is how to create resume in LinkedIn. Hope this video going to be very helpful for you in future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.